Hello, dear students. Now, welcome in GK class. The chapter we have National Parks. Just find the names of the 5 other national parks in India. Also identify the wildlife that is protected there. A national park conserves wildlife and is a symbol of national pride. The national park in India have a lot of endangered animals that need protection. Just I ask, identify the national parks described below. 1. A tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve in West Bengal, home to a variety of birds, reptiles and invertebrate species including the saltwater crocodile. No? What's the answer? Answer is Sundarban National Park. Second, a wildlife sanctuary in Gujarat, India, the only home for Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions are Gir Forest National Park. Okay. Third, oldest national park in India, located in the Nainital district of Uttarakhand, established in 1936 as Valley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger, is Jim Corbett. Okay. Fourth, wildlife sanctuary lies in Nilgiri Hills, Tamil Nadu, home to many endangered species including the Indian elephant, Bengal tiger, Goa Indian leopard, 266 species of birds, including critically endangered Indian white ram vulture and long-bill vulture. The name of national park is Madhumalai National Park. Okay. So now fifth, National Park of Madhya Pradesh, home to Royal Bengal tiger, leopard, salt bear, Barasingha and Indian wild dog. Inspiration 2. Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book is Kanha National Park. Okay. And the sixth is a World Heritage Site in the state of Assam, home for 2/3 of the world's gate, one honored rhinoceros recognized by BirdLife International for the conservation of avifaunal species is Kanjiranga National Park. One of the largest national parks situated in Rajasthan, known for its tiger. It's very famous and our school students have visited many times this place. Can tell? Ranthambore National Park. What's the name? Ranthambore National Park. Okay. So now the chapter number 5 we have to discuss The drink. India is a subcontinent with weird and extreme climate. Different region in the country serve drinks prepared with local spices, flavors and herbs. Ignoring the cause, we can conquer our thirst with our traditionally healthy beverages. So first is Thanda coconut, second Nimbu pani, Chach and Jaljeera. As you know, the coconut water is a very healthy. This healthy drink is preferred by many people across India. It is easily found in street market in summer to beat the heat and escape from the sweltering summer. This is the healthiest option. Nimbu pani, which is a very famous drink during summer as well as in winter. Lemonade, traditionally called Nimbu pani, is a very popular drink in India as well as in world also. It is prepared with lemon juice. The variation include lemon with extracts of ginger, mint leaves, ice and water with the condiments like salt, saffron and cumin. Third one, Chach, the natural and very powerful drink for summer point of view. This is a natural twist quencher and is the tastiest, smoothest and finest drink to sip. Since it consists curd, we can enjoy with a meal for a healthy digestive system. Sweet as well as salty. Jaljeera. It acts as an appetizer and keeps the body cool and gives us an early relief from dehydration. The key ingredients are few cumin seeds, tamarind, mint and salt and cold water. Masala chai, very famous for North Indian specifically. This hot drink rejuvenates and revives your spirit when you are tired. The perfect way to brew this magic drink is to mix the right proportions of chai masala, ginger and other peppy ingredients. Assam chai, Kunnur, Darjeeling, this is the famous place of tea maker. Honey ginger tea, this is a smoothing and aromatic tea that relieves stress and is a good remedy for cough and cold. Ginger acts as an anti-inflammatory agent to the body. Lemongrass and mint tea, summer, winter or monsoon. This tea webs as even on the most tiring days. The waves of lemongrass and mint give us a fresh new taste that does not let us down. This spicy milky tea with intense flavors and aromas is the companion for all seasons. Herbal tea with or without fruit contains a component called tannin which is healthy for mind and the body only if consumed moderately. Lemon to prepare one of the beverages and write a report about it. Okay. Now the quiz time. Dash is found the street market in India. What do you think? Thanda coconut. Dash acts as an appetizer and keep the body cool. Jal Jeera dash act as an anti-inflammatory agent to the body. Third is ginger, and lemonade is traditionally called Nimbu Pani in India. Hope so. You understand?